For your hands-on task for module number 1, you're going to need to get one of these number lines and a dry erase marker. So you're going to click on this random number generator, and you're going to set the minimum to -10 and then the max at 10, and you're going to generate a number. So I got -1. So on here you can see it is blank, so I need to decide where am I going to put 0. So I'm going to mark 0 on here, and then I am going negative, which is this way. It might be backwards in the camera, and positive is that way. So I'm going to mark -1. So you can see there's -1. Yeah, it's backwards. So imagine it's flipped around. And then I've got -9. So I'm going to count over and mark -9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's -9. So make sure you label what they are. So you can backwards, but you get the point idea here. So you're going to do that 5 times. And then you're going to come back to Canvas and you are going to start your assignment. And you need to take a picture of this. So you're going to insert an image, upload your image, and then I can help you with that if you need to from your computer. And then you are going to list them from least to greatest. So start at the left side and work over and list your 5 numbers from least to greatest.